Amazing performance done by Tots and DK Kids. What a holy and elegant beginning of the programs. This act gave wings to reality and real ambition. Now moving on to the very next performance. Okay, how do you like this performance? आप ऑडियंस में से हैव यू एवर परफॉर्म्ड अपने 3-4 साल की उम्र में कहीं? So thanks to Iris Laurent for making them perform. This takes really confidence, a lot of confidence in guns. Stand here, face the audience and just smile. And this has begun. छोटे-छोटे बच्चों ने इस चीज़ की शुरुआत कर दी and I wonder what they are going to do in future. So moving on to the next performances. Rajasthan, the word itself says, the land of great emperor and kings. Their bravery, their audacity and honor. The glory the state sings. The place itself is so beautiful. Land of unique traditions and cultures. Low and high tunes everywhere. Full of historical monuments and sculptures. What to say about the native of state? They are so cheerful and good. So hardworking they are in their lives. And they cook so much yummy food. किसी ने राजस्थान का खाना खाया? Okay, few people have tasted. I request you must go and have or taste Rajasthani food. That is really amazing. Overall, I can proudly say my Rajasthan is great as it can be. The most colorful, vivid and happy place. It is really the best according to me. So calling out the very next performance, Rangilo Maro Dholna by Pre-Nursery A and B.
I would like to invite Anya, Prishka, Dilisha, Abhishri, Ashvi, Abhiram, Yuvan, Nishal, Krishna and Riyansh from pre-nursery for Rangilo Maro Dholna.
Please have a big applause for these amazingly, beautifully prepared and nicely looking kids.
मजा तेरा प्लेट दिखता है भाई, प्लेट दिखता है इसमें प्लेट।
Please have a big applause for these kids. Come on, everyone. As you can see, it is not just the kids who have put efforts from a month, but then it is the hard work of the teachers as well, who have managed them with lots of patience and love. Please put your hands together for these amazing looking kids. We are going to start the program. amazing performance by these amazing kids of class nursery, of class pre-nursery. And as I can see, there is a lot of energy in the audience. And for these things को देखते हुए एक छोटा सा सरप्राइज हम सबके लिए I request as I can see there is a lot of energy in the audience. I request 5 mothers on stage. We have got a special surprise for all of us. We have arranged few things for you. 5 mothers. 5 mothers to be on stage. Please have a big round of applause for these mothers. As you can see, that's fine, ma'am. So as I mentioned that we have got a special surprise, but I didn't mention that surprise is for whom? Surprise है किसके लिए? आप लोगों ने भी नहीं पूछा? Mothers के लिए. The surprise is for all of us because we have got a special performance by these mothers. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. We all understood why the kids are so energetic and smiling. Because जब मम्माज इतना अच्छा डांस करती है तो बच्चे क्यों नहीं करेंगे? So I would like to ask all the men, all the fathers, कैसा लगा आप लोगों को performance? एक बार जोरदार तालियां for the program. We are going to redirect the program to the schedule given to us. So, moving on to the very next performance, Rajasthan is known for its royalty and heritage. The state is touted to be the most ethnical rich state in the whole world. A place where every age recites a story indeed. Not to mention the fact that this is one of those places where modernity and values compensate shoulder to shoulder, and both of them have managed to exist. This is the province which wakes up to religious chants and mantras of the temple and in the morning and sleeps with hip pubs and cafes at night. We sometimes wonder how could there be an awful of varieties in this one locale. Once a person comes here, he or she will go back with a tranche in their heart, and that's the reason why people love visiting here again and again. So, as we all know how rich the culture of Rajasthan is, in the mornings, in the nights, everything is there. You must visit there, and for the same, the kids are coming to tell what their Rajasthan looks like. So I would like to call the kids from pre-nursery, KG and nursery.
I would like to invite Daksh Kapila, Arav, Daksh, Shaurya, Abhinav, Nivan, Prachal, Ayush from pre-nursery, KG and nursery for Maru, Rajasthan.
So Arav, Prachal, Ayansh, Nivan, Abhinav, Shaurya, Daksh and Daksh Kapil. Please have a big round of applause for these amazing looking kids. Oh my god. So something interesting is cooking and they are going to present the song Maru Rajasthan, and you all will get to know, we all will unfold the meaning of what Rajasthan looks like. Okay kids, do you want a good, nice hooting for yourself? चाहिए आप लोगों को तालियां बजाएं पेरेंट्स? So now we all know that kids will get encouraged and we are going to encourage them. Please have a big round of applause for the performance.
I want all my folks to go put your hands up on this basic tune.
एक बार जोरदार तालियां for their panties, for their dress, beautiful dress. Okay, so they presented Rajasthan in their whole new way. ज़माना कितना मॉडर्न हो गया है, राजस्थान को भी फ्यूज कर दिया गया है. तो एक बार जोरदार तालियां for our rich culture, for us to be as proud Indians. So calling out the very next performance, but then before that, we have got a special ramp walk. We can see that there are so many mothers who have dressed up nicely. All the mothers are looking very beautiful, and we are going to have a very good fashion show here by parents only. So I would like to call mothers on stage who are willing to present their talent on stage. So, okay, don't be scared, okay? Don't be scared. जब छोटे छोटे बच्चे कर सकते हैं, we are their parents, come on. So the mothers who are willing to come on stage for the fashion show, either I have to pick. So, yes, please have a big round of applause for English. I request more mothers to take the initiative and do not lag behind, because nowadays things have changed. Please have a big round of applause for the mothers who are coming here. Okay, now we are going to see some hidden talent, some hidden aptitude, or maybe ऐसी चीजें जो हम लोगों ने शायद सालों पहले की हों और वापस the things are going to come back to life. And as we can see, please come, yes, yes, please ma'am come. मैम को जाने में दीजिए प्लीज. एक बार दोबारा. So please have a big round of applause. Thanks to the fathers who always, back up the mothers who are. अब जब डिमांड कर दी है तो करानी तो पड़ेगी. नहीं, अब डिमांड है तो करानी तो पड़ेगी. हम लोग पेरेंट्स की बात तो टाल नहीं सकते. So please have a big round of applause for our parents. So we are going to come one by one. We are going to come in the center. We are going to present ourselves, our dresses. We are going to do some good moves. And yes, we are going to do the hooting. Please have a big round of applause.
¿Cómo te llamas, baby? Desde que te vi supe que eras mami. Dile a tus amigas que andamos ready. Esto lo seguimos en el after party. ¿Cómo te llamas, baby? Desde que te vi supe que eras mami. Dile a tus amigas que andamos ready. Esto lo seguimos en el after party. Como ella lo menea, mueve ese boom boom girl. Es una asesina cuando baila, quiere que tú no la veas. I like your boom boom girl, con calma. Yo quiero ver cómo ella lo menea. Mueve ese boom boom girl. Tiene adrenalina, mete la pista, déjame lo que sea. I like your boom boom girl. Y que estás solita, acompáñame. La noche de nosotros tú lo sabes. Me encanta, ya se vaya, te voy a empezar. Pam, pam, yeah. Esa criminal como no mueve un delito. Tengo que arrestarte porque pienso y no me quito. Tienes criminality, pero te dejo dar y vivete la película. Formando un pirámide y luego de darte. Yo sé, no me la tienes pausa. ¿Qué es lo que vas a hacer? Échale, échale, échale pa' casa. Échale, échale pa' adelante y date. Como ella lo menea, mueve ese boom boom girl.
Please have a big round of applause for these beautiful, beautiful, beautiful mothers. I appreciate a lot for your participation. Thank you so much. You make us complete. Something for fathers. Yeah. So as I already promised, so I am going to call fathers right after one performance. So yeah, you can get prepared. You can, charge up your bodies. And we are going to do a quick warm up. यहाँ पे आके हम लोग dance करेंगे. So moving on to the very next performance that we have. Rajasthan has a rich tradition of both oral narrative and written language and literature also. The most famous song is Kurja, which tells the story of a woman who wishes to send message to her husband by Kurja, that is a type of a bird, who is promised a priceless reward for his service. In the literary tradition, Chand Bardai, epic poem Prithviraj Rasao, the earliest manuscript of which dates to the 12th century, is particularly notable. The type of dance that Rajasthan has, the typical dance of Rajasthan is Ghumar, which is performed on festive occasions by only women. Other well-known dances include the Geer, which is performed by men. So yes, what we didn't know about this, that Rajasthan do have a dance form for men, which is known as Geer. And women, the Panihari, a graceful dance for women. The Kachi Ghodi, dance by women, in which male dancers ride dummy horses. Performances of Khyal, a type of dance drama composed in verse with celebratory, historical or romantic themes is also widely popular. Apart from that, we have got two mainstream dance forms from Rajasthan, that is Ghumar and Kalbelia. So what we have next is the representation of Ghumar by our small kids, by our small children. So I request the kids of pre-nursery A and B.
I request to invite Siddha, Abir, Riddhit, Riyansh, Yashvik, Krishav, Robin, Vansh, Agastya, Shanmukh, Shambhav from pre-nursery AB for Kala Chashma mashup and Ram Ji Ki Chal Dekho.
So this is a good mixture of Rajasthan and the Western. How the Rajasthan gets fused with the Western theme of India or Bollywood, you can say. So please have a big round of applause for these kids. Oh my God, they are smiling. So dear audience, I request you to kindly encourage the kids and keep encouraging them. Dear audience, can I see your claps, please? done by these cute little kids. एक बार जोरदार तालियां, one more time. So these are kids, they can fuse anything. So this is the fusion of Bollywood and being Rajasthani. एक बार जोरदार तालियां. And as I already mentioned that the next performance is to be done by the fathers. So I request the fathers to kindly come up on stage. It would be really great to see fathers participating in their kids' function. I request the fathers. Please put your hands together for these amazing fathers. Come on, everyone. So 6 to 7 fathers at a time. Please put your hands together for them. So we surely have seen fathers' participation very less, but then it is proved wrong from now onwards because our fathers are as confident as our mothers. So please put your hands together for these amazing, dashing looking fathers. And DJ, can we have an amazing track for them? A track. Woo! Come on, put your hands together for them. This was really mesmerizing. This is really amazing. See you all dancing. This really made the energy come back in the house. So ladies, Dil Ki Chhavri, how do you like it? So this was the feedback. एक बार जोरदार तालियां for the fathers. We really got to learn some amazing moves. And we should try those moves, you know. All those moves that the fathers taught to us. Moving on to the very next performance that we have. Sunbeam on the eyes, castle on the highs, deserts on the sides, rainbow-like kaleidoscopic guise, exuberant mystique to make your spirits rise. Be prepared for the expectations to sunrise. I bet with no reprise, once you see Rajasthan, it would be hard to bid goodbyes. So yes, as I already mentioned, these lines are for no matter what. Any line is not sufficient to define the beauty and art of the colorful place called Rajasthan. There is much more to see, much more to explore, and so much more to discover and assimilate here. So I would like to call the very next performance that is coming up on stage. This is going to be really beautiful. And we have got another surprise for you right after the performance. I request all the parents to kindly keep encouraging the kids, as we all understand that these kids are really small. It is difficult to keep the patience and watch the performances, but then there are kids, not only nursery kids, not only playgroup kids, but then all kids are similar. So I request you to keep encouraging them.
I would like to invite Aditi, Yagvi, Vedika, Naisha, Sharanya, Ashmi, Anshika, Shanvija from KG and nursery kids for homework.
Please put your hands together for these amazing, beautiful girls. Parents, can I see your hands up into the... So these beautiful girls are here on stage, and DJ, can we have the music? What an energetic and amazing performance done by these beautiful little girls.